Hey guys, welcome to the next video of this mentorship. In this video, I want to cover daily swing high and low. Of course, you guys know about what is swing high and low. Basically, what is swing high and low? It is a three candle formation, right? But in this video, we're going to build one trading model basically, okay? Daily swing high and low. With the help of daily swing high and low, okay, the three candle formation का help से we can build one trading model, okay? And that trading model you can call it as a next day model as well, okay? So if you have already watched my Udemy course, in that course I have covered this one basically, okay? But as I am teaching you guys from starting, so I want to cover this topic as well, okay? Because this can be your one trading model, okay? And please make sure you watch this video carefully and try to understand the video and make sure you taking notes whenever I am mentioning some important point, okay? Uh, Before going to start the PPT, I just want to teach you guys about some terminology, okay? As I said in as I said from beginning, they are different name, but the concept remains same, right? Uh, People say one level as a buy side liquidity, external this, and it is same, okay? Logic is same basically, but the concept logic is same, but people have given different name, right? So I want to cover first of all one thing. In trading industry in ICT, you will see people mentioning most of the time about discount and premium array. Okay, so what it means discount and premium array? I want to touch in this before going to start our PPT. Okay, so there इसका दो मतलब हो सकता है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओके डिस्काउंट एंड प्रीमियम अरे का दो मतलब हो सकता है सो फर्स्ट विल बी फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से मार्केट मूव फ्रॉम लो टू द हाई ओके मार्केट moved from this low let's say for example and this high okay you can use Fibonacci from the low and high okay simply use Fibonacci from low to high okay and जो 50% रहेगा रेंज ओके जो 50% रहेगा 50% के नीचे हम लोग बोलते हैं डिस्काउंट लेवल राइट मोस्ट ऑफ यू गाइस नो दिस आई नो बट दिस इज माय जॉब टू टीच यू गाइस ओके सो एंड जो भी चीज 50% के ऊपर रहेगा उसको हम लोग प्रीमियम बोलते हैं राइट सिंपल लॉजिक इफ एनीथिंग इज बिलो 50% दैट मीन्स द प्राइस इज बेसिकली एट डिस्काउंट राइट इफ क्योंकि मार्केट में क्या मूवमेंट होता है प्राइस का मूवमेंट होता है राइट प्राइस मूव्स अप एंड डाउन okay so if market move let's say from this low to this high okay and if we have 50% range you can use Fibonacci and mark 50% range okay you can see this middle line is 50% of this range okay so below 50% we called discounted level and above 50% we look for premium level basically we say okay so this is one thing people refer as discount and premium array okay what is the second thing so let me type this for you guys swing high any swing high any bearish FVG any bearish order block people referred as premium array okay ठीक है and just opposite any swing low any bullish FVG and any bullish OB people referred as a discounted array okay so don't get confused okay so even let's say for example price move from this low to this high okay and let's say we created here bullish fair value gap for example okay here we created bullish fair value gap but if we use Fibonacci low to high this range basically this range from low to high our discounted price is below 50% right so here we have discounted level right below 0.5% but if we have daily fair value gap above people also say as a discount level just a different name okay and मैं बस एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा यहाँ पे डोंट लेट योर सेल्फ कंफ्यूज बाय डिफरेंट नेम इफ you all have to understand and this is for me also you we all have to understand what is higher time frame doing. Okay, you don't have to, you don't let your confuse by this discounted and premium array. Wow, what a name, a different name, or this blah blah blah. Okay, if you understanding the daily fair value gap, weekly fair value gap, where the daily can print, weekly can print, you don't need this different name. Okay, so even let's say if this fair value gap is above 0.5%, right? But still people will say, because this is bullish fair value gap, right? This is bullish fair value gap, and as I said, any bullish fair value gap people also referred as a discounted array. Okay, so don't let yourself confuse. I hope this part is clear for you guys. Okay, so let's me delete this. And one more thing you will listen from me as well, draw on liquidity. Okay, what is the meaning of draw on liquidity? Basically, liquidity. So same thing again, I'll say just let's watch here. Okay, let's say for example, we have this daily fair value gap as an internal. Okay, for example, and of course, if market is at this daily bullish fair value gap, we're looking for the long, right? If we're looking for the long, let's say if we're looking for the long setup at this daily fair value gap, what if I'm looking for the long at this area where I'm looking market to draw, basically where I'm looking market to draw. Okay, what will be my target? Okay, so let's say this is my external range liquidity. Okay, so people will mark this as also DOL for short form. Okay, or you can say draw on liquidity, basically. Okay, whatever you want to say. So if I'm looking for the long, this is my draw on liquidity. This area, this high external range liquidity is my draw on liquidity. So it will be a different name, but the concept is same. Okay. So I hope you guys understand. Again, I'll say you don't need the different name. You just have to understand where the market is going to print in upcoming time. Okay, that's what you need. That's why I have told you guys in beginning, collect the data, see how many time daily fair value gap hold, weekly fair value gap hold. So you collect data. You don't need this different fancy name. Okay. So I hope till now it is clear, and let's come to our PPT. So in this video, with the help of a daily swing high, with the help of swing high and low, we can build our one trading model, and that trading model you can say, you can give the name basically that model as a next day model. Okay, जैसे हम लोग breaker block, not breaker block, लेट्स हम लोग ऑर्डर ब्लॉक फेयर वैल्यू कैप बोलते हैं, तो आप एक मॉडल को मतलब कुछ भी आप नाम दे सकते हो. यू इट्स ऑन यू इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द नेम, डू whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do basically. Okay, so daily swing high and low. This is the turning point. As we know, daily swing high and low is a turning point in the market, right? We have discussed this in past as well. Whenever market form low and high, it always forms swing low, swing high pattern, then market reverse, right? Not always, okay, not everywhere, but we have to understand where, if market forming daily swing high. See, listen this carefully. We market always form swing high and swing low, right? Market, you will see always market is printing somewhere swing high and low, but not all swing high and low is a turning point. Okay, we have to understand where daily swing high or low is forming. Is daily swing high, is the daily swing high and low forming at key level or not? Okay, if it's not forming at key level, that means that swing high and low is low probability. And of course, in upcoming slide, you will understand in more depth basically. Okay, so as we know, every turning point in the market forms a swing high or low on the lower time frame. This is meaningless. Okay, so we're going to use this on daily time frame. You can use on weekly as well, but it works very good on daily. Of course, nothing is 100% correct, so don't think, oh, this is going to be 100% win rate. It's absolutely not going to be the case basically. Okay, but on a lower time frame, this is meaningless. So use this on daily time frame as a model basically. Okay, so however, on a daily chart, if you see this form at a key level, okay, in upcoming slide we will discuss what I mean by key level. Okay, and if you see this form at a key level and we have a draw on liquidity still present, this become crucial and we can frame an entire model behind this idea. Okay, so just I want to give you guys one illustration here. Okay, let me draw this quickly. So let me choose. Okay, so let's come to the trading view so I can draw in much easy way. Okay, so for example, let's say, let me delete this one. And let's say for example on daily we have formed here, let's say this swing low pattern. Okay, हम इसको कुछ इस टाइप से ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं. Okay, so let's say we formed this swing low. Okay, so let's say this is the middle candle lower, and ये दोनों कैंडल जो है लेफ्ट एंड राइट में ये हायर है. Okay, and let's say we forming this swing low pattern. Okay, we form sorry, जो ये स्विंग लो पैटर्न हम लोग यहाँ फॉर्म कर रहे हैं इसको हम लोग रेड मार्क कर लेते हैं ताकि कलर डिफरेंट रहे. सो जो ये स्विंग लो पैटर्न फॉर्म हो रहा है, लेट्स इट्स फॉर्मिंग एट डेली फेयर वैल्यू गैप. सो दिस इज आवर की लेवल, राइट. सो की लेवल का मेरा मतलब है कि डेली लेवल पे फॉर्म होना चाहिए, वीकली लेवल पे फॉर्म होना चाहिए, डेली स्विंग लो, डेली स्विंग हाई, वीकली लो के नीचे अगर फॉर्म हो रहा हो, तो दैट मीन्स कि दैट इज आवर की लेवल बेसिकली. ओके, बट फॉर एग्जांपल पर्पस लेट्स से वी फॉर्मिंग दिस स्विंग लो पैटर्न हियर at daily fair value gap. Okay, so once we form this daily fair value gap and our drawn liquidity और our जो liquidity हम लोग का target है, external range liquidity target है, अगर वो अभी तक grab नहीं हुआ है, तो we can still look for the continuation to the upside ताकि market ये level hit करे. Okay, because see हम लोग का target क्या है, हम लोग का target ये है, हम लोग का drawn liquidity ये है, right. If you're looking for market to internal to external and this is our external target. Okay, and अगर ये external untap है, मतलब अभी तक ग्रैब नहीं किया मार्केट, अभी तक ये लेवल ग्रैब नहीं किया, एंड मार्केट लेट से अभी तक एंड लेट से मार्केट अभी तक यहीं पे है, तो वी कैन स्टिल लुक फॉर द कंटिन्यूएशन टू द अपसाइड. सो वी कैन टारगेट दिस स्ट्रॉ ऑन लिक्विडिटी, राइट. मार्केट अभी तक ये लिक्विडिटी स्विप नहीं किया है, सो वी कैन लुक फॉर द कंटिन्यूएशन टू द अपसाइड. ओके, so I hope this point is clear. So as you guys know, this is swing low, right. And this is how it looks like, swing low, right. And this is our swing high formation. Okay, so in this chart, you can see I have marked few swing low, swing high formation, three candle formation, right? You can see, uh, and the reason I'm not touching swing low, swing high because I have already covered in a few videos back. I've already covered about cover. Sorry, I already covered about swing high and swing low formation, right. So that's why I'm not teaching you what is swing low and swing high. So you guys already know what is swing high. You can see the three candle formation created swing high, here swing low. Okay, but we have to understand which swing low, which swing low and which swing high we have to use. Okay, so intercepting high probability price move with swing high and swing low, we need to see them form at a key level. Okay, again, why I am saying key level? Okay, because see, market always move up down. Okay, but if we and we can't trade everything, right. We can't trade every candle basically, right. We have to understand which level market can hold, which level market forms swing low, so we can still look for the continuation to the upside, which level market form at swing high, so we can look for continuation downside, right. So for example, if you're looking for the bullish setup, if you are at some bullish level, if bullish we want to see swing low form at a discounted array. Okay, discounted array, as I said in starting, hope you guys understand. If bullish, we want to see swing low form at a discounted level, right? Or after running another swing low. ये दोनों point अभी मैं discuss करूंगा, so don't worry. If bearish, we want to see swing low form at a premium level or after running another swing high. Okay, so इसको हम लोग समझते हैं quickly. So let me delete this. Let me delete this. And एक काम करते हैं, इसको कॉपी कर लेते हैं एंड इसको हम लोग ट्रेडिंग व्यू में यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. So let's say if you are bullish, okay, for example, let's say you have seen market move from this low to this high, same thing, and let's say we have this daily fair value gap, for example, okay, let's say we have this daily fair value gap, and if you seeing market forming here swing low, okay, market forming here swing low, that means जो ये swing low form हो रहा है, जो ये swing low form हुआ है daily time frame में, it formed at a key level, right? It formed at a discounted level basically, right? Because this is bullish fair value gap, right? So if it's forming at key level, that means this swing low is basically high probability swing low, and we can see market is and we can see market can easily reverse. Sorry, Yeah, we can see market can easily reverse to the upside and market can continue trade higher basically, okay, because we're forming this swing low at key level and key level is daily fair value gap, okay. And let's say for example, market moved like this for let's say, okay, and market has grabbed this swing low for example, okay, market has grabbed this liquidity or low liquidity, okay, and let's say this is our external range liquidity as a, okay, let's say we have this external range liquidity, and let's say for example we're looking for market to move from external to internal, okay. So we have grabbed the external, and let's say once we grab the external, and let's say here we formed the swing low pattern, okay, here we formed swing low pattern for example, that means this swing low is high probability swing low, and we can see market can trade higher, okay, because we know swing low is a formation. If we are in bearish move, let's say from here to here we moved bearish, we have grabbed the swing low, okay, and we formed this swing low on daily time frame. That means ki we can trade higher, okay. So this swing low is high probability. So that's what it means in the first point. If bullish, we want to see swing low फॉर्म एट डिस्काउंटेड अरे, जैसे पहला एग्जांपल हम लोग समझे जो बुलिश फेयर वैल्यू गैप में फॉर्म हो, या फिर और आफ्टर रनिंग अनदर स्विंग लो. सो यू कैन सी लेट्स से वी हैव हियर फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स से हियर एट दिस लो वी हैड सम स्विंग लो, वी हैव सम daily low liquidity, okay, and let's say market grab this liquidity here as external range liquidity जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, right, and then फिर swing low form कर रहा है, that is basically high probability for us. Same thing vice versa for bearish, right. So let's say we trade it lower, and let's say here we have this, for example, bearish fair value gap, and market hit this bearish fair value gap, for example, and here we formed swing high, for example, okay. Here we formed swing high formation, okay. So that means this swing high is high probability because swing high, this swing high level, this swing high is forming at some premium level, right? So I hope it is clear to you guys. And same thing, let's say, for example, market traded, let's say market was trading higher and market has grabbed this external range liquidity, okay, as a swing as a old high basically, okay, and let's say here we formed this swing high candle after grabbing this external, okay, or buy side liquidity, whatever you want to say, it doesn't matter. So after grabbing this external on daily, let's say we formed here swing high formation, three candle formation. So that means this swing high is high probability and we can look for continuation to the downside on the upcoming candles. And let's say if we have bullish fair value gap, so we can look for market to trade external to this internal as a fair value gap. So I hope till now uh, आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा. So let's come here and I'll suggest you guys watch this video 1 2 time अगर समझ में नहीं आया हो, and let me know. दो बार देखने के बाद भी अगर समझ में नहीं आएगा तो definitely I'll explain you guys, so don't worry. So for example here you can see just for example purpose, okay, you can see we have grabbed, let's say, this buy side liquidity as external range liquidity, old high, we have swept this here, right, you can see this high, market has swept this external high here, and you can see we have formed this swing high. The middle candle is higher than the left and right, and you can see the next candle how strongly it traded lower basically, okay. So is this swing high is high probability or not? Yes, this is high probability. Why? Because it formed at key level, it grabbed the liquidity and it's forming this swing high formation, right. ये जो स्विंग हाई फॉर्म हो रहा है ये एक लिक्विडिटी स्विप कर चुका है यहाँ पे, देन फॉर्म हो रहा है, राइट. So what is next day model basically? Okay, so whenever we form this three candle formation, let's say you can see first candle was this, second candle was this, and third candle was this. Okay, let's assume कि ये fourth candle print नहीं हुआ है. Okay, अभी तक print नहीं हुआ है. So you can see first candle, second candle, third candle. So जब तक third candle close नहीं हुआ तब तक हम लोग को नहीं पता है कि swing high, swing low form होगा, right? Once the third candle close, we know we have formed swing high. We know we have formed swing high at a key level. Okay, so the next candle, so fourth candle open hoga, we can look for the continuation to the downside, right? Because we have grabbed the buy side liquidity, we have grabbed the up buy side liquidity, so we can look for the reversal, right? And also we can look for reversal. Why? Because we have formed swing high formation. So the fourth candle you can look for the sell. So that's basically what we say next day model. Okay, we wait. Listen me carefully. we wait for the swing high or swing low formation to form, and once we form swing high, swing low, okay, once the third candle completed, you can look for the fourth candle to trade basically, okay, and here we can look for the sell setup. Why? Because this is a swing high formation, right? And of course, you can look for setup after grabbing the buy side liquidity. Let's say in this first candle, you have grabbed the buy side liquidity. Of course, you can look for reversal, but this is your model basically, right? Uh, you have to understand this is your trading model. Of course, you can look for setup when market grab this buy side liquidity on the first candle. You can look for continuation. You can look for reversal on the second candle or in third candle. But here you have to understand about probability basically, okay, and whenever we form this swing high swing low formation, okay, of course you can capitalize this downside move, okay, you can look for sell at the second candle when market has grabbed the buy side liquidity. But uh, if you wait, let's say you waited for 3 days, okay, and you saw this candle, you saw this formation, okay, next day model basically you can look for the setup on the fourth candle as well. But again, I'll say this is not something always going to work, okay, of course you will take loss, you will take win, and here you have to basically collect data, and you have to understand about the win rate basically, okay. As you guys see, example here, for example, if you see here, you can see we have this daily fair value gap, right? You can see we have this daily fair value gap, okay. Let me draw this for you guys. You can see we have this daily fair value gap. So let's say if you're looking for long at this daily fair value gap, you're going to target this, right, this high, okay, if you're looking for the long here, right? Let me erase. So if you're looking for the long at this daily fair value gap, you can see we formed here swing low formation, right? This candle, but you can see the fourth candle traded lower, so not always you're going to win all the time, of course, okay. So that's why you have to collect data and you have to see how market works, okay. So let's see, let me show you one example. So first of all, if you see this chart, okay, if you see, for example, we have swept this low, right? You can see this equal low on daily time frame. You can see we have grabbed this equal low, sell side liquidity or external, whatever you want to say, okay. And let me use replay tool basically. So you can see we have grabbed this swing low in this candle, right? This sell side liquidity we have grabbed, and you can see we have formed this swing low, okay. You can see this swing low formation, the middle candle is lower, uh, of left and right, right? So this is the swing low formation. So the next day we can look for continuation to the upside. Okay, we can look for next day candle to print bullish basically. Why? Because we understand we have grabbed the liquidity. Okay, we have the grabbed the liquidity. We have formed this swing low formation. So the fourth candle, fourth candle we can look for the continuation to the upside. So your bias can be bullish basically. Okay, and then of course, when we're going to talk about lower time frame, I'll teach you about entry as well. But here I'm giving you guys overview how to understand buyers, how to basically know which direction market is going to print basically, right? So this can be your next day model, okay. So you can see the next day how candle printed bullish, okay. And of course, if you go to lower time frame on 1 hour 15 minute, you can easily look for some buy setup, right? And of course, you can say that we was looking for market to move from this external, after external sweep here, you can be looking for external to internal basically, right, to fill this fair value gap, okay. And let's continue this, okay, for example, and here you can see, okay, here you can see, let's say we formed the bullish fair value gap, okay. And you have to understand, of course, when market tap this bullish fair value gap, you can look for the continuation to the upside, that nothing wrong with that, okay. But the thing is, if you can see we have formed swing low, okay, if you have missed the trade, or let's say you have entered already at this daily bullish fair value gap and market move in your favor, but after few days, if you have if you can see, yes, we have formed this swing low, so of course on the fourth candle you can look for the continuation to the upside, right? So I hope it is clear to you guys. So here you can see we tapped this daily fair value gap, right? We tapped this daily fair value gap in this candle, and you can see we have formed this swing low pattern, right? We have formed this swing low pattern at key level, right? We formed this swing low this swing low pattern at key level, right? So on the fourth candle, you can still look for the continuation to the upside. Okay, if you have drawn liquidity present, make sure you write this point. Okay, if you're looking for the, let's say you can see here, we have this three candle formation as swing low. So if I'm looking for the fourth candle to print bullish, okay, to continue upside, I make sure I have some liquidity or some level to target. So here you can see we have this swing high as a target here, right? Okay, so you can see we have this buy side liquidity as a target. So if I'm looking for the bullish candle on the fourth day, we can look for target this high. Okay, so you can see how it printed basically, right? On the fourth day. Of course, a small candle, but you can see in upcoming how it moved very nicely. Okay, so I hope you guys now understand about the next day model. Okay, and I don't know why this is showing a small candle. Let me open another broker. For example, okay, let's delete everything here. So you can see in this candle, that's what what I was thinking. Why uh, वो candle काफी छोटा दिख रहा था. Okay, in this broker basically on forex.com you can see how it is showing a very small candle, whereas in real market it formed very good bullish candle. Okay, and if you see on another broker on FXCM or Wanda, you can see the fourth candle printed very strongly bullish. Okay, so we formed swing low at this key level. Okay, on the fourth candle, this was the fourth candle, right? This was the, let me draw this. This is the fourth candle, right? This one is the fourth candle. You can see how it printed bullish. Okay, and here you have to understand one more thing. Let me go replay. So if we're looking for the fourth candle to trade higher, okay, if you're looking for the fourth candle to continue higher in this case, uh, we don't want to see market is going below the previous day low. Okay, so for example, I am looking for the fourth candle. Let me go one more candle back. Okay, so I can see here we have formed this swing low formation, and the next day when market is going to open, I'm going to look for bullish candle to print. Okay, of course we need lower time frame entry to enter the market or to know from which level market can reverse, and of course in upcoming we will discuss. So don't worry, but the thing I want to share here, and make sure write this also on your note. So if I'm looking for the fourth candle, okay, if I'm looking for the fourth candle to be bullish, I don't want to see market is going below the previous day low. Okay, vice versa for bearish, I'm looking for, if I'm looking for the bearish candle on fourth day, okay, I don't want to see market is going above previous day high. Okay, so if I'm looking for the bullish candle, okay, if I'm looking for the bullish candle on the fourth day, I don't want to see on the fourth day market is going below this previous day low. Okay, ideally it does not go below the previous day low. Okay, but this is for you also to journal. Okay, so I don't want to see market is going below the previous day low. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you guys. And of course, let's say fourth day you're looking for the long. Okay, let's say fourth day you're looking for the long. You can target as well as previous day high liquidity as well. Okay, you can target this previous day high. Okay, or if you have some liquidity or swing high near term, you can of course target that as well. Okay. Okay, guys, and also I want to teach you this as well. So again, I'll say watch this video two, three times so you guys can understand in much better way. अगर first time confused हो रहा है तो okay, and this is what I want to teach you guys. Let's say for example here you can see we have grabbed this external. Okay, we have grabbed this external range liquidity, and we know if market grab the external, it basically draw to where the fair value gap. Okay, and you can see we have this fair value gap here on daily as an internal range liquidity, right? So market is basically trading from external, market grabbed here external range liquidity. After sweeping external, we trading lower to internal as a daily fair value gap, right? Here you will see we have formed the swing low formation, right? You can see swing low formation, right? The middle candle is higher to the left and right of the candle, right? So we have this swing high formation, but in this third candle, market already tapped our discounted level, right? Market already tapped our target basically. So the fourth candle don't look for any sell setup, right? Because we are already at key level. And I know in future this question I'm going to get. That's why I'm discussing this right now. So after grabbing external, you can see on the third candle when the swing low formed, okay, uh, as we know, swing low, swing high formed when third candle closed, okay, and you can see when third candle closed here, on the third candle we already tapped the fair value gap, okay, so our target is already has been met basically, right? Target already hit ho chuka hai, so we don't have to look for continuation downside, right? So I hope this point is clear. So on the fourth candle, I'm not going to look for the continuation to the downside because I know market has already tapped my level. Okay, so I'm not going to look for fourth candle to continue lower. Okay, because I know we are at discounted level now. Okay, so now let me del what is happening. Sorry. So let me delete this for example. Okay,